Offering flexible benefits to your team has never been easier with Oyster. If you're looking for a solution that allows you to easily provide global benefits to your employees, stay tuned. In this quick guide, we'll show you exactly how to offer flexible benefits with Oyster and why it's the perfect platform to ensure your team stays happy and productive. So let's get right into it. Oyster is a global employment platform that helps companies manage their teams worldwide. One of its standout features is the ability to offer flexible benefits, which is crucial in today's remote and hybrid work environments. Whether you're managing a small team or scaling globally, Oyster gives you the tools to craft personalized benefits packages that suit different employee needs. With Oyster, flexibility is key. You can customize benefits based on location, role, and personal preferences. This means you can offer healthcare, wellness stipends, mental health support, and even learning budgets, all through one platform. The best part? Employees can choose the benefits they value the most, giving them a sense of ownership and control over their work-life balance. Oyster's intuitive interface makes it incredibly easy to set up and manage these benefits. From the dashboard, you can track your employees' preferences, adjust benefits based on evolving needs, and manage all your global payroll without the headaches of different local laws and regulations. It's a seamless experience that saves time and ensures compliance in various countries. But what truly sets Oyster apart is its global reach. No matter where your team members are located, Oyster's flexible benefit system can be adapted to meet their local legal requirements and provide access to the most relevant benefits. So if your employees are in the US, the UK, or anywhere in between, they'll have access to the same level of flexibility and care that they'd expect from a local employer. Here's a quick example. Let's say you have team members in multiple countries and you want to offer a wellness program. With Oyster, you can set up a global wellness benefit that's tailored to each location's needs. Some employees might prefer gym memberships, others might choose mental health resources, and some might opt for mindfulness apps. Oyster makes all of this possible without extra administrative overhead. Now, if you're wondering how to get started offering flexible benefits with Oyster, it's straightforward. Simply sign up for an account, enter your company details, and start configuring the benefits for your team. You'll have access to a library of benefit options, and the platform walks you through the setup process, ensuring that everything is in place. And here's a little secret for you. You can use Oyster completely free from the first link below. That's right, get access to this amazing platform, including its flexible benefits management tools, with exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. Plus, if you stick around until the end of this video, you'll learn how you can get an extended free trial, giving you even more time to explore Oyster and its capabilities. Offering flexible benefits with Oyster not only makes your team happy, but it also positions your company as a forward-thinking employer that cares about its people. Don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your employee benefits game. Click the link below for your free trial and start offering benefits that truly matter.